Hi, myself Maulali Mashari. I am here to give a presentation on my seminar topic Tesla Motors. The Tesla Motors was found in 2003 July by Martin Eberhard and Mark Trepanning. The Tesla motor is named after the Nikola Tesla. He was an electrical and mechanical engineer and he was also an physicist. He had contributed towards the design of a AC supply system which is known as alternating current. At starting the company faced the huge losses. Then the Elon Musk came into role and he invested up to 7.5 million US dollars and he brought the company into its original position. Here is some information about the Elon Musk. Has the age of near about 45 to 46. He is an engineer, inventor and investor. He is a co-founder. He is a CEO of many companies. For example, CEO of SpaceX, CEO of Tesla Motors, XCOM, PayPal, Zip2, etc. And he is also chairman of our Solar City. What is Tesla Motor? Tesla Motor is a Silicon Valley based company that designs and manufacture and sells electrical cars and electric vehicle powertrain components, and it has launched many models. There are Tesla Roadster, Tesla Model S, Tesla Model X, Tesla Powerwall, Tesla supercharger stations, which is used for charging the Tesla cars. Here is the Tesla Roadster, which was launched in 2008 and it has accelerating speed of 1000 km per hour in just 3.7 seconds, and it has a range of 400 km per hour in a single charge in lithium ion battery. Then the second model was Tesla Model S, which was launched in 2012 and it had a speed of 100 km in just 2.8 seconds. It has a range of 480 km in a per charge of lithium ion battery, and it has a perfect 5.0 NISTA automobile safety rating, which is totally safety and bulletproof, so that it should precaution from the damages. Then the next model is Model X, which was launched in 2017 and it had 19 kilowatt h battery providing with 415 kilometer of a range. Model X has an ample seating for 7 adults and all of their kids, and it has accelerating speed to 0 to 10 km per hour in a quick as 3.2 seconds. Then it is a Tesla supercharger, which is used for the charging of the Tesla cars, and it is a charging stations, and which consists of 562 supercharger stations with 3223 superchargers. Here is the base of the Tesla motors, in which you can see that there are two motors connected to each other. There are two types of batteries. One is sheet type battery and another is normal type battery, but in the Tesla motors the sheet type of battery is used. You can see that first, when the electricity from the sheet type motors come through the inverter to the motors, then the magnetic flux creates between the both and the shaft starts to rotate. Due to the shaft rotation, the wheels rotates and the movement is on. And there is a crankshaft for the brake systems and etc. There are two types of cell which is used by an Tesla motors. First, the Tesla has been using 18650 battery cells made by an Panasonic, but Tesla works with a Japanese manufacturer to tune the chemistry to the cells. The Tesla Model S and X uses 18650 lithium batteries, which Model 3 uses 21700 battery cells. The most popular battery pack supplied in Tesla contains 7,104 18650 cells in 1644 cells module, capable of storing up to 85 kilowatt hour h of energy. First, the Tesla used to use 18650 cells. Then the Tesla switched from 18650 cells to 21700 cells because it has an optimized size, maximum energy with minimum increase in weight, and excellent cost voltage in large energy. What kind of batteries are used in Tesla? By now, most people know that the Tesla Roadster is powered by lithium ion batteries, but here are a few things about the batteries you might not have heard. Our battery system, or energy storage system as we like to call it, is compressed to 6831 individual lithium cells. What voltage is Tesla battery? Tesla battery is 375 volts. Uses 375 volts in its power to use, and the average supercharger cost up to 0.25 per kilowatt. Also appeals for Model 3. A fulfill recharge to about 250 miles of range costs approximately $22 dollars. More typically, a half charge 150 miles of a range would cost about $11. Cost varies based upon the region and the based upon the charge. How long does Tesla car last? The Tesla car last between, they can travel up to 300,000 miles or 500,000 miles. Are Tesla expensive? Yes, the Tesla are a bit expensive compared to it. Next, here is the chart of an Tesla sales. First, the Tesla were into the huge loss when the Elon Musk came and invested into the Tesla, and they invented a good models and good cars. Then they came into the huge selling market and they ranked high and they started to begin with a high use profits. Here are the references which I have gone through. You can also go through for a more information if you need. Thanks for your attention. Thank you.